Hi friends, yeah, it's me again. Now I'm going to do the pouring of second stage of concrete placement today. By the way, the time now is 1:45 p.m. 2 hours from the time I pour the base of wing wall. But before I go through, I would like to explain about the shutter here. So basically, this corner here is higher than the bottom one, so that's 1.5% slope. So meaning for every meter you have 15 mil raise on this corner here. So by formula, that's slope is equal to y over x. So y is your 15 mil and x is your bottom length. So 15 multiplied by 1.15 mil divided by 1 meter, which is 1000 ml, times 100% is equal to 1.5%. So that's the slope on this side here. Whereas on the corner here to the center line of, from the corner here up to the center line of wing wall, the slope is 7.5%. So I raised this corner here with 10 mil and the bottom one is 0. So and the length is 130 mil. So 10 mil divided by 130 mil times 100, that's 7.5%. Again, for the slope formula, m is equal to y over x. The purpose of that, so if the runoff from this ramp drops in here, it goes on a middle. Again, if the runoff from the ramp over there to down to here, the runoff will go on the middle. Same thing on this side here, it goes in the middle. Okay, yeah, that's the theory of this shutter. Okay, let's start with pouring more concrete now. But I have to remove that bucket because it's dripping. Okay friends, I'm going to put the concrete now, and the calculated volume is 4.5 liters, but I make it 6 liters. So I have some 1.5 liters allowance. We'll see if we need more. We'll check it out later. we're going to vibrate this now. I don't know if I need to mix some more concrete. I need to mix like a couple of liters of the mix. Because there's a water coming from the pit. I need to mix another 3 liters.